Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to transfer Minecraft world to another PC. So guys, in order for you to do this is go to your Windows guys and type in run. And then from here, guys, type in percentage app data percentage. And after that, guys, click OK and it will redirect you to the app data roaming. So from here, you will see your Minecraft folder, which you will have here your world. And guys, from here, go to your saves, and from the saves, guys, this will be your world. And then from here you can copy world that you prefer, guys, and paste it to your backup files. Or guys, if you want to copy the whole thing, just copy the save and paste it to your backup files. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.